Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is your favorite chef here, Chef Chanel. I am finally back on YouTube and I am here with a recipe for my turkey wings. I dropped this video on Instagram and you guys went crazy in my comments asking for the recipe, so now here it is. For this recipe, you will need baby turkey wings. Now, a lot of the comments on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok was, where do I find baby turkey wings? They are hard to find right now. I got mine from my local butcher by my house, but if you live in New York, you can get them at Food Bazaar or any butcher shop that you know in New York City. They should have baby turkey wings. Once again, you want baby turkey wings and not the big wings. The recipe will not come out the same. You're gonna wash and clean your turkey wings. I use lemon juice and vinegar, and then preset your oven to 400 degrees. As your oven is preheating, you are going to chop 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, and 1 yellow onion. I'm going to use a food processor because this is going to go by much quicker, but if you don't have one, you can just finely chop your onions and green peppers, and also mince your garlic. Make sure you're using fresh garlic in this recipe. Do not use the garlic that is in the jar. This is what your red and green pepper should look like, and your white onion. Like I said, I'm using a food processor, so everything is mixed together, but it's totally fine if you decide to chop your peppers and onions. Once you have cleaned your turkey wings, and I just want to be clear here just in case I didn't say it earlier in the video. So I went to my butcher and I ordered I got 6 turkey wings. I asked them to take the tip off. I used the tip to make some bone broth. I'll make another video with that, but if you want to leave them on, it's totally fine. I decide not to leave them on. But what I'm doing right now is pat drying the turkey wings. I want to make sure that there's no water left on these turkey wings because we want them to be as dry as possible. Also doing here is cutting the extra skin that's on the turkey wings. It's not mandatory you do this, but I like to do this so that I can just not have the extra skin that's laying on it. So I cut along both sides with my kitchen scissors. Now you're going to place your turkey wings in a baking pan. I'm going to drizzle olive oil and then all my seasonings. Everything will be listed down in the description of the exact measurements. I'm adding in the garlic and browning. Once again, make sure you're using fresh minced garlic. Do not use that stuff in the jar, you guys. We don't use that. You're going to combine everything really well. If you have some time, let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. If you don't, it's totally fine, but I always like to allow my meats to marinate for 30 minutes. We're now going to add the green pepper, the red pepper, and the onion that we diced earlier. We're going to add that right on top of this mixture. And then on the side, we're going to do some chicken broth, and we're going to do a little bit of flour. So the peppers and the chicken broth and the flour is what's going to actually make our gravy. It's going to make this delicious, thick gravy. So that's why we're using so many peppers and, an onion and this broth. Now the chicken is going to release its own juice, so we only need a little bit of the chicken broth. Like I said, everything will be listed in the description. And now we're just going to add our herbs, and I use a lot of thyme because I love it. You're going to add in a few sprigs of rosemary, not too much, and like a few sprigs of sage. You can go heavy-handed with the thyme though. We are also going to add our butter and then cover this with aluminum foil and allow this to bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Once you've allowed this to bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes, you are then going to just flip your wings over, and you're going to just move them over to another plate so that you can get all of this gravy and drippings out of this pan. So we're going to transfer the wings over to another plate, and then we're going to take all the drippings and gravy out of this pan and place it in a blender. I poured everything in there. I did remove the thyme and the rosemary and the sage out because now we don't need it. We cooked with it. You're going to blend everything up, and This is going to be the gravy for your turkey wings. So now you're going to place everything back in the pan and you're going to add your gravy on top. I save a little bit of gravy to just add on top of like my rice or whatever I'm eating my turkey wings with. But now you're going to place it back in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you're going to broil it for about 2 to 3 minutes. While you're broiling it on high, make sure you're watching it. You don't want to burn the turkey wings. It is very easy for this sauce and the turkey wings to become burnt. So please watch your wings while they're on broil. And this is how you make turkey wings, my turkey wings. You guys asked for the recipe, here it is, or anything. So it took me a while to actually measure things out for you guys, but I'm glad I was able to do it. If you make this recipe, please comment below, like this video, subscribe to my channel.